Been working on this little table. It's kind of a cute little table. These are double saddle joints, and saddle joints on the bottom, so it's 3, 6, 7, there's 9 saddle joints. And the rest of it looks pretty easy. Got the board in the back there, up against the lathe, and these two guys here, and a bunch of hinges to put on it. Still haven't glued those top braces on yet, but I finally got that middle brace put in. That was a dickens of a job. That goes all the way through in a straight line, and I'd already put all those boards, assembled them and glued them in. So I had to get imagined making a little pattern. This was the leg, and I just screwed it on in exactly the same way on each leg on both sides, and then used the router on it to etch it, and then drilled a hole in the middle. This wood is so happy. You see that little spot right there? That's where I drilled my thumb when I was 27 years old. With this kind of a setup, I was drilling with a small drill bit, and the drill bit snapped, and what was left in the drill went right through my thumb. That thing ached for days until I woke up one time in the middle of the night and decided to go probing around in there with some tweezers, and I found a piece of fingernail inside the hole, and after that it healed right up. This is my little brand. Brand New Industries, custom branding equipment. I got this more than 20 years ago, maybe 30 years ago. There's that, huh? When I'm in the middle of a project, I don't usually film if I'm having difficulty, and I didn't do much filming in this one because it was difficult. But I am going to sit on my keister and watch TV for a while, so thank you, and I'll do some sanding tomorrow. Thank you. Sitting pretty. Yes, you're sitting pretty. Every time you look at something, you look at it with different eyes. There we go. Straight enough. Straighter. How's that? I can fix that a little better, I think. Okay, this is a trestle table that I made. It's got, it's a drop leaf trestle table, and I kind of put some interesting little doodads on it to keep it from collapsing, because the door hinges are just not enough. This is a little plate. I took a door hinge and cut the part off that has a pin in it, and then I screwed it to a board, and it made a slot, so that supports this, and so this doesn't collapse. Because I was having trouble. I went through several idiocies trying to figure that out, and this is the best I came up with. So this was a lot of joinery, a lot of fun to make, but it took me a day longer than I thought. Usually I take 4 days to make one of those kind of things, but this one took 5. Speedy. So I like it. Got paid for this one. My client is an interior designer, and still have the finished sand out to do. You see I filled some holes, and this used to collapse down real bad, but now just solid as a rock. So I'm happy with how that turned out. I messed with those hinges quite a bit trying to figure that out until today I just whooped a new With the new technique out. Didn't know if it'd work or not, but it was kind of a desperation attempt, and worked out really well. This is super solid now. Yeah, it's all good. I need to clean up my shop now that I've made such a mess. You know, I don't clean up while I'm in a project, but project ready to do the final sand out. Tomorrow I'll put a little video on the final sand out to the finished table, and that is a wrap. For all you people who think that they'd like to follow me, thank you, and please subscribe. I have recently started